Nothing kills a four-wheel drive quicker than rust. Once it starts, it's a slippery slope to the junkyard. Here's how rust starts and how Brunox, combined with Raptor, will help stop it for good.
This car was picked up from the wrecker with several years of rust taking its toll. The only way for metal to get this gnarly is thanks to exposure to moisture, namely the paint flakes off, iron gets wet, and a chemical reaction leads to oxidation, or in simple terms, rust. We've gone ahead and stripped the roof back to bare metal in areas where the rust was bad and treated it with Brunox. Brunox is a double trick pony: rust neutralization and primer in one.
The final step in stopping rust dead in its tracks is to apply a protective top coat.
We all know there's no tougher final coat than Raptor, which can be applied directly to the dried Brunox. The Raptor coating prevents moisture ingress, and the Brunox has neutralized the rust, a two-step process which prevents the oxidation reaction.
There's simply no easier method to stop rust once and for all. So to protect your investment, head to brunox.com.au.